Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building flavor quickly. Add 2 cups broth to a wide pan and dissolve 3 tablespoon gochujang so it disperses evenly. Then add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tsp minced garlic to balance spice. This creates a glossy, savory base that will cling to rice cakes. Once the mixture simmers, drop in 400 g rice cakes so they absorb liquid and soften. Stir gently to prevent sticking, because even heating ensures consistent texture. Once the rice cakes begin to soften, reduce to medium-low and simmer for 7 to 10 minutes while stirring occasionally so the sauce concentrates and coats each piece. Add 1/2 sliced onion and 1/2 cup shredded cabbage or 4-5 fish cake slices for texture. These release sweetness that tempers heat. Make sure to test 1 rice cake for chewiness. If sauce becomes too thick, add a splash of broth or water to loosen it, because sauce viscosity controls final mouthfeel. You finish by turning off most of the heat and evenly spreading 150 to 200 g shredded mozzarella over the bubbling tteokbokki. Cover the pan for 1 to 2 minutes so the cheese melts into a stretchy blanket that binds sauce and rice cakes. Once melted, scatter sliced green onion and sesame seeds for brightness. If the cheese clumps or the sauce looks too dry, add a few tablespoons of hot water and stir gently, then reheat briefly. This restores silkiness without diluting flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.